Okay, this is what I did this evening. It has warmed up a little bit, and some of this stuff is starting to melt, but it's going to take quite a while. And see, back there is what was here, only it was higher. And I shoveled all of this so that I could park my car here. This is a good place to park when it's icy because there's a bike trail here and it's wide. And I forgot to leave a spot for my door to open, so I had to stop and do that. I was finally able to get a snow shovel today. So that's what it looked like. And this is a cleared spot in the snow so I can park the minivan that I live in, because the city of Boise isn't going to even say, hey, come and park in a parking lot or anything. It's been unbelievable. The first thing I did was clear a spot by the what I call the gay bar cop shop with a dustpan, and I still have pulled intercostals from that. So we'll see what happens to my back. But this is about survival. You have to do what you have to do to survive in Boise because of the maltreatment of homeless people here. I'm 68 years old, and tons of men went by here while I was doing that. Not one man asked me if I needed help or if I was okay. Not one person from the city of Boise asked me if I was okay either. So here's my question to all of you. Are you okay? Where is your humanity? Because I don't get it.